Hey guys, it's Tim here, and today I'm going to show you how you can create action figures of yourself completely free with ChatGPT. Now, these action figures are super hot these days. You see them everywhere on social media, and I created these action figures of myself. Look at this, how beautiful they are. And I can tell you, it's very addictive. Once you start creating these things, you can't stop creating them. Look at these. I've created all of them with ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how you can do the same. Actually, it's super simple to do so, and I'm going to give away something else as well. It's in the description. Check this out. I'm going to give you over 200 different scripts that you can use to create these action figures. So here are 100 profession-themed action figure description, but I also have 50 hobby-themed description, like gardener, photographer, painter, or holiday theme like Santa's helper or Halloween ghost or Easter bunny, 30 sport themed like soccer star, basketball, or maybe you like to have adventure action figures. You can get them, you can download them all in the description below. But for now, let's dive into it and let me show you how it works. So as you can see here, I'm in the free plan. It says upgrade your plan. So this is the free version of ChatGPT. Now, the first thing that you want to do to create an action figure is to click on this plus button where you can upload pictures of yourself. So I have 4 pictures of myself here that I'm going to use because I recommend you to use 4 pictures instead of 1 picture so that you can train ChatGPT with your face. Then the next thing that you need is a prompt. So we could use any action figure prompt from the script here. So let's say we want to do, for example, a desert adventurer. So we're going to copy this script here and we're going to paste that in here. And the only thing that you need to do is you need to change the name of the action figure. So you fill out your name in here. So in this case, this is Tim Verdouw. And it filled out the rest of all the details in the prompt here, but you can change them. So in this case, it says it's a desert adventurer, a person with looks. So you only need to replace this part. So I'm going to do sunglasses and then set against a vast desert background. So this is the background of the package that's going to be created. And then include a subline Dune Conqueror. So you could change this to whatever you like and include accessories like camel, a weather flask, a turban, and sand scope. So you can replace these details for your own details. You simply take these scripts and copy and paste them inside of ChatGPT, and you just change the accessories if you like to have different accessories. So we're going to add survive as a noticeable text element as well and style it as if it's a toy and add it to a transparent background. This is the only thing that's needed to create your action figure. So you can see right now we've uploaded here our 4 pictures and now it's going to work. It says getting started. So like I said, you do not need to have a paid account. You just need a free ChatGPT account. It's going to work for you. Now, this is going to take a little time. It says here, actually, lots of people are creating images right now. So this might take a bit and will notify you when your image is ready. So I'll be back once the image is created. And there we go. This took about 2 minutes and it created this awesome action figure here. Look at this. Now it messed up a little bit with the second camel. It added here a funny camel at the bottom. So you can always chat with ChatGPT to make changes here. So for example, we can say, replace the second camel for a backpack. Also change the font color of Tim Verdouw to white. And you simply click on send and it's going to recreate the image for you. And it's going to make this font white of Tim Verdouw here. And it's going to replace the second camel, if it's going to do a correct job, with a backpack. And there we go. Here we got the new action figure and it actually replaced the backpack here. And now I notice, for example, that this action figure is not inside of the package. So you basically keep communicating with ChatGPT to create your action figure. So let me fix this by saying the action figure is not behind the plastic. Please fix this. So I'm going to send, and now it's going to do the job and add the action figure behind the plastic. Let's hope it's going to figure that out as well. And there is the new result. Now you can see. Okay, so somehow it's not behind the plastic this time. Unfortunately, I can show you other examples. So let's try another example here. I think it looks pretty cool though. Let's create another action figure. So let's do a firefighter here. Let's put this one in here. So again, we're going to change the name to my name here. We're going to say Tim. And I'll just do my glasses here. And then you can see it filled out all the details already. We're going to hit send. And it's going to create the new action figure for us. Now, I have to say, when you have a paid account, it will go faster. The images will be created faster. Although right now it says immediately, oh, it's processing the image. So it's going to take a little time. So I'll be back once this is created again. And there we go. There we have the Firefighter. This is Tim, bravery in action here. Look at this. It's pretty cool, right? We got the tools in here. Here it's behind the plastic. So there was just a mistake in the previous image that was generated. But it's actually pretty funny. Now, the cool thing with ChatGPT is that it's improving all the time. So it also created a library here. When you click on the library, you can see that I actually created an extra figure in here or made changes. But you can go to an existing image that you created, an action figure here, and you can edit the image from here. So for example, when I click on edit image, I can say, for example, change Tim to Tim Verdouw, and I hit enter and it's going to create and make that change. Now there's also some kind of a hidden feature when you go back to your original prompt here. When you open the image here, when you go to the right top, look at this feature here. It says select. So what you can do when you click select here, you can actually select a part in the image here. So I can say, I want to select this part here, and I can say, replace this for a radio. And now I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to place a radio in that specific area. And there you go here. Check this out. It made the changes. It replaced this area with the radios. And yeah, you basically just need to talk with ChatGPT to make the changes. And let me show you my final image that I created for this video. This is me here, Tim Verdouw, world's most famous YouTuber. It says subscribe here. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done yet. I do a lot of reviews for AI-related products. Also, I have interviews with product creators, and I try to create more videos like this as well. And again, there's a link in the description if you'd like to check out these scripts here that I'm having here. Lots of scripts, 100 professional action team figures like nurses, firefighter, police officer, hobby themes here. There are a bunch here like this, hundreds and hundreds of prompts that you can get by downloading it from the description. Hey, thank you so much. Like this video, subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Talk soon. Cheers.